This is Oral Assessment Part 4. Hi Rebecca, would you like to be my volunteer?
Yes, I'm happy to.
Thanks. I would like to give you brief instruction regarding today's meeting. You are now Jennifer with your husband Philip, who like to borrow funds to buy your first home. Therefore, today's meeting, I'm gonna act as a broker, gonna present you as an analysis and recommendation for your mortgage inquiry. Let's start. Hi Jennifer, nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
In today's session, I'm gonna summarize you and your husband's financial situation first and give you advice regarding a home loan option.
Thank you, please go ahead.
You and Mr. Brown want to borrow 30 years home loan with variable interest rate to purchase your first home. You need to get formal approval within 6 weeks. Total loan amount you want to borrow is $440,000 plus lender's mortgage insurance amount. Is this the amount you request? Existing 80% loan-to-value ratio on your purchase. Based on the calculation, the lender mortgage insurance will charge around $9,300. Therefore, the total loan amount is $449,300. You also request a withdrawal facility for your home loan and repay early without penalty. Am I correct?
That's all correct. Before you go ahead, can I please know what is lender mortgage insurance?
Lender mortgage insurance is also called LMI. This will require if your home loan deposits less than 20% of your lender assessed value. This is based on lender's valuation of the property you want to purchase. In other words, it based on lender's assessment on the property market value. If you deposit less than 20% of your lender assessed value, which means the loan-to-value ratio, also known as LVR, of more than 80%, borrower with more than 80% LVR, are you sure you're gonna pay for lender's mortgage insurance? This is because LVR more than 80% considered as higher risk to the lender.
Thank you for your explanation.
Then let me summarize your financial situation. Regarding the incomes, you and your husband are both PAYG employees. Mr. Brown is a team leader of ACE Limited as monthly gross income $4,833 per month, and you work as a full-time accountant in Tech City, and your current gross monthly salary is $7,916. Therefore, the total monthly gross income is Totally month's gross income is $12,750.
That's all correct, thank you.
Then regarding the expense, the monthly living expense is around $2,750. For asset you and Mr. Brown owns as joint offset saving account with credit balance $78,000 and the check account with $1,600. Total funds available is $79,600, and your own superannuation account and capital bank has credit balance $62,000. Other assets including household assets which insured value is $40,000, and Mr. Brown has superannuation account and capital bank has credit balance of $28,000, and he has personal loan as monthly repayment $180. Both of you have bank credit card as total limit of $9,000.
Thanks, Yuxing. I confirm above our current financial situation.
Based on your situation, I have 2 products I can recommend to you and Mr. Brown. Please check the Excel table on the decks I present to you for more detail. I will recommend ANZ Break-Free Standard Variable Package and Commonwealth Bank Home Loan Package to you. These 2 packages are quite similar. The loan amount are 30 years with variable interest rate. Offset account facility and withdrawal facility are for free. Funds can be accessed via card. Repayment frequency you can choose as paying in monthly or weekly. The ongoing fee are the same for 2 products, which is $395 annually. The only difference are the upfront fee and interest rate. For ANZ the interest rate is 4.76% annually. Commonwealth's interest rate is 4.87% annually. Commonwealth charge an upfront fee at $600. ANZ doesn't charge upfront fee. For more details, you can refer the Excel table.
Regarding the offset account facility, can you please explain a bit more?
Sure. Offset account is transaction account linked to the eligible home loan and investment loan. The money in this account can offset the money you owe on the loan, and you will be only charged the interest on the difference, which means you can pay less on your home loan.
Okay, thanks.
Therefore, today I will recommend ANZ home loan with lower interest rate and monthly repayment. The repayment is P&I, which means principal and interest, with good functions such as withdrawal facility and offset account, and no upfront fee required.
That sounds great. After I confirm with my husband, we'll get back to you as soon as possible.
No problem. Before we finish this meeting, I would like to confirm with you that you have our license number, ACL number. Commission may receive about the information preliminary assessment and reasonable inquiry you may want to know are all provided in credit guide.
Yes, I have read through the credit guide. Thank you.
Any other question you want to know?
Can I get pre-approval from the bank?
Yes, this is also called approval in principle, which means you are given financial approval in principle. If you have fulfilled the lending criteria prior or to the purchase, means you have indication on how much you're able to borrow. For real estate budget can be checked as a serious buyer by agent.
Thanks, Yuxing. I will discuss with my husband and get back to you.
No problems. Thank you. Looking forward to hearing from you.